Euro 2021 largely played to expectations in the group stages. There were a couple of upsets and some surprising results, but there weren't any shocking early exits or squads that tumbled further down than expected in their group standings. That allowed bettors to capitalize on trends, identify favorable odds and make some solid bets, but the round of 16, now and on the final day of the round of 16, England knocked off Germany 2-0 in one of the most highly anticipated matchups of the tournament to date. Who will win Euro 2021? With just 8 teams remaining, the picture is getting clearer. Here are the best bets to make and sides to trust as the tournament quarterfinals arrive. England's test moving forward isn't that daunting. They already knocked off the toughest opponent on their side of the bracket in Germany. They get to face Ukraine in the quarterfinals and then will take on either Denmark or the Czech Republic in the semifinals. England should have an advantage over all 3 of those squads, so they should have a chance to make it through to the final. Some may balk at betting 2-1 odds on England after they were roughly 6-1 or 7-1 earlier in the tournament, but the value is still there for them. They are a solid all-around team with an easy path to the final and have yet to concede a goal at the tournament. The Red Devils are one of the more experienced sides in the tournament and they have generally had good form during the Euros. They had their share of issues against Portugal. They were outshot 24-6 on the day, 5-1 on target. But they still escaped with the win despite dealing with injuries to Kevin De Bruyne and Eden Hazard. Belgium's potential path to a title could feature games against Italy, Spain and England. That's no easy task, and the team is dealing with some injuries, but it has good depth. So, even if De Bruyne and Hazard have to miss time, they can fill the void with some experienced, talented veterans. Certainly, Belgium is no lock to win the tournament, but the Belgians have the 4th best odds to win and are the number 1 ranked team in the world. It's worth taking a shot on them, especially as a foil to England. Because if both make the final, you'll automatically profit. Then, the question becomes, can Denmark beat England in the semifinals? England is a tough opponent, but Denmark has demonstrated great form in recent matches. If it continues to play well, the Danish squad could make a run to the title game. Taking the Danes as the underdog to win the far weaker side of the bracket is an appealing move, though betting them to win the tournament at this point isn't recommended. That said, England is no Sweden. The English have more attacking power with Raheem Sterling, Jack Grealish and Harry Kane on their team and that trio will cause plenty of issues for Ukraine. Ukraine will need a terrific effort from goalkeeper Herhi Bushchan to have any chance of winning. His English counterpart Jordan Pickford hasn't conceded a goal yet in this tournament though, so it will be very difficult for Ukraine to break through and score. England certainly has the upper hand in this matchup. While the odds aren't great, it might be a chance to parlay it with other bets on this list to improve the odds. The Czechs have been in decent form in this tournament, but they're running into a highly motivated Danish side in this one. Denmark is playing for Christian Eriksen in the wake of his on-field cardiac arrest and it crushed Wales 4-0 in its round of 16 game. Mikkel Damsgaard has done a fine job filling in for Eriksen while Kasper Dolberg showed he is a goal-scoring option after scoring 2 in the last game. Additionally, goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel is rounding into form. He has allowed just 1 goal in Denmark's last 2 games. Denmark should have a good chance to beat the Czech Republic with an offense that's beginning to click and a motivational edge in tow. Perhaps Czech star Patrik Schick below can keep his scoring streak going, but Denmark should still have a clear advantage, so getting the Danes at plus 106 is nice value. Belgium's team comes with some concerns as well. Notably, Kevin De Bruyne and Eden Hazard are dealing with injuries picked up against Portugal and may not be healthy enough to play in the quarterfinal. Even still, the Belgians have solid depth including Yannick Carrasco and Dries Mertens that can help fill in for those players. Will the Belgians be as explosive if De Bruyne and Hazard can't play? No, but they'll still be the best team that Italy has faced in this tournament by a fair bit. And given the struggles Italy had breaking down Austria, it may have similar issues against Belgium. Of the underdogs in this round, Belgium is probably the most appealing. The Red Devils have the talent needed to make a run to the final, so why not bet on the experienced side to take down a relatively young Italian team? Spain should have an advantage over Switzerland in terms of skill. But France did as well, and Switzerland sent the reigning World Cup champions home. Yes, France wasn't in its best form at this tournament, but Spain hasn't been either. The Spaniards blew a 2-goal lead in the final 5 minutes plus stoppage time against Croatia before emerging with the extra time win. Against a Swiss team that's in better form than the Croatians were, they could have more trouble, especially with Haris Seferovic and Xherdan Shaqiri creating scoring opportunities. Spain certainly could win this game, but it's by no means a lock. As such, sitting this one out is probably for the best. There are 4 players in the Golden Boot race with better than 10-1 odds to take home the trophy. Could Schick, 4 goals, Lukaku, 3 goals, or Sterling, 3 goals, overtake Ronaldo? Sure, it's possible. At the same time, Schick and Lukaku are facing tough tests in the quarterfinals and could be eliminated while Sterling will need a couple of goals to tie Ronaldo. So, Ronaldo is a safe bet because he has a cushion, albeit a small one. If Ronaldo was still playing, these odds would be a no-brainer, but even with his tournament over, betting on him isn't a bad move. Meanwhile, Schick is on the weaker side of the bracket as well, but he's playing for the Czech Republic team. The Czechs may have trouble competing with Denmark, so his chances of being eliminated in that game are higher than Sterling's are against Ukraine. Sterling is worth a shot at 5-1. England has a good chance to win the title and Gareth Southgate seems to trust him.